Bàbá olóyin sẹ̀sán adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ lóyin òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ sẹ̀sán adéhùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì, táwọn tọ́lọ́run, bàbá olóyin gan, bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at M0NEY, bàbá olóyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, M0NEY. The program you are watching today is from Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. And the phone number is on the screen. 080 54 74 94 55. 080 54 74 94 55. You can also reach me on another number 0810 84 31 336. 0810 84 31 336. But it's advisable to send your messages on WhatsApp. So that it will be easy for me to reply you very, very well. Today, I want to give you another secret. Yoruba people call this one Ila. Ila. We have Ila Iroko. We have Ila. This is English name for it. Okro. Okro. The English name is Okro. Yoruba people call it Ila. Mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ Ila Iroko. Ila gangan ni o. The real Ila, the real Okra I'm talking about today now. How are you going to use Okra to see plenty money and can even help you to overpower the evil plans of your enemies? You can use it for love and attraction. Get seated. I will give you the secret again today. But just before then, don't forget I publish many books. This is one of my books. Honey as a medicine. Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Woman Problems book. I have other books. African Power Part 1, African Power Part 2, and this is my latest book, African Power Part 3. You can get all these my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. That is to say, you can get the books on your phone. And distance is no more a barrier. We can send the books to you all over the world. If you can pay for delivery, we can send the books to you. Or you have brothers and sisters in Nigeria, they can come and buy for you. I get branches in Lagos State. If you go to Mushin, go to number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin, Lagos State. You see my products there. At Bariga, go to number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. Or you come to Baba Oloyin bus stop. M0NEY. My phone number again, 080 54 74 94 55. Send your messages on WhatsApp. Now back to what I had said. Ila. Eko Ila. Ọgbàrà rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ọbẹ̀. Ìrèpè gbàrà rẹ̀ gbági oko. Yes. Eko Ila gbàrà rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ọbẹ̀ o. This Ila Okra. When you get three like this, whether you're a man or woman, you're a boy or man, you want to use it, just get 3 seeds of Okra. Grind them with soap of your choice. You can use blender to blend them. You first of all cut them, then you put in your blender to blend for you. Or you get grinding stone, or you get a very small mortar, grind them, then later mix with soap of your choice. Then add 1 tablespoon of cooking salt, and and 1 tablespoon of original honey. Mix them together. Take your bait with it. Before you go to shop, before you go to your office, everybody will like you. Ìlà máa ń yọ̀ ni, wọ́n á máa yọ̀ mẹ́ ṣẹṣẹṣẹ, lọ́mọdé yọ̀ mẹ́yẹ ṣẹṣẹṣẹ, bẹ́ẹ̀ rí mi ẹ yọ̀ mọ́ mi ṣẹṣẹṣẹ. People will like you and admire you. 3 okras. Grind them with soap of your choice. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of original honey. Mix them together, take your bait with it before you go to your shop. Even your runaway customer will come back to beg you. Yes, tested and confirmed. Some people will be asking, what do you have in your books? Okay, in this book, give her ulcer. Ulcer ń pààyàn, a máa rán yàn lọ́rùn. Yes, you have hypertension, silent killer. The secret is here. Honey as a medicine. If you can't sleep very well, you can't sleep very well. The secret is there. How to use honey. Because when you can't sleep very well, you develop hypertension. And hypertension normally leads to stroke. Buy honey as a medicine. You have asthma, cough. The secret is here. Many other things are there. 70 ways of using honey. The new title is honey as a medicine. In this book, African Power Part 2, if they pepper you, how to remove pepper and arrow from your body, not all over, or you don't want them to pepper you, what are you going to do? The secret is here. If they put poison in your food, in your drinks, in your penny for you pass sorry any. Yes, if they put poison in your food, how to detect it? They put it in your drinks. How to detect it? The secret is in African Power Part 2. And if you are the type that you normally complain, they give you soap, you always complain. Green soap, no work for you. Yellow soap, white soap, you always complain. Maybe witches and wizards that block your hands. You need just small things though, that don't cost you 200 naira to wash your hands. Any switcher product they give you will be working for you. Buy African Power Part 2. This is African Power Part 3. Anywhere the python sits, the food normally meet you there. Your luck will shine. Anywhere you are, you always see money. You're a big contractor, and you can jabata buy African Power Part 3. How to use python head. You have just small thing with python head that don't cost you more than 200 naira. You take your bait with it. We have a certain day in the week that you must take your bait with it. You will always see money. Yes. Before you go, I must thank those people that are giving me money. Amen. God will say amen to your prayers. She always contribute to my money, monetization on Super Thanks on YouTube channel. Even I have a closed channel, members only. She used to help me there as well. Amen. God will say amen to your prayers. You will live long to his fruits of your labor. Thank you very much. You give her never lack. You will never lack good things of life. Brother Akinola Adebayo, thank you very much. He also used to contribute to my Super Thanks on YouTube channel. God will continue to bless you and enrich your purse. Brother Kim, thank you very much. Brother Kim is in USA, thank you very much. God will continue to bless you and enrich your purse. My only daughter in Belgium, thank you very much. God will bless you all. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.